Eli Goldratt took the world of operations by storm in the 80s with his book, Goal. In it, he discussed three measures: throughput, inventory, and operating expense. These ideas can be applied to the manufacturing environment. In doing so, inventory and operating expense can be easy to put into place. Throughput, on the other hand, not so much. Throughput is equivalent to the financial term contribution or marginal profit. In other words, throughput is defined as sales revenue minus the marginal cost of supplying the product. These costs include materials, labor, and transport. Throughput mainly has to do with sales. However, manufacturing usually does not have the responsibility of sales. Goldratt even argued that the constraint to sales is usually not found in manufacturing. In other words, manufacturing couldn't really do anything about it. A different measure was needed. It needed to be something inside the remit of manufacturing, as well as having the ability to influence sales. It had to be something to do with delivery performance. More specifically, the innate ability to deliver product without all the evils that Goldratt discussed. Specifically, not changing your production plan. This measure needed to be time-based. This is where response time fits. Response time is measured in days. Inventory can simply be measured in the amount of money that you possess. However, cost is the measure that most people pay attention to. We use a definition that includes the marginal expenses of throughput, similar to what we discussed earlier. There are other measures that performance is measured with. First pass approval rate, line item fill rate, lead time, and variance are just a few examples. These are all key performance indicators that can be related to the three big measures. For example, a first pass approval rate indicates how often the production process fails to pass its quality control test the first time without any rework. The consequence of a low first pass approval rate is to increase inventory, increase the time to make the product, increase the material and labor wasted, and additional overhead needed to troubleshoot the problems faced. These consequences are all covered by the three main measures. You could also say that response time itself is a key performance indicator for throughput, as most KPIs look at short timescales of only a day up to a month. For more information, visit our website at ReModelinternational.com.